Dr. Suvarchalaa, Scientific Director with ZIVA Fertility Centers. What are heavy metals? Are we exposed to them? And does exposure to heavy metals cause infertility? Let's try to understand these questions. Heavy metals are naturally occurring elements that have atomic weight and density heavier than water. It's about 5 times heavier than water, and these, because of their extreme usage in agriculture, industries, medicinal and other technology, we as humans are also exposed more to them than what is required. So the toxicity of the heavy metals in our body has now increased. Their toxicity depends on several factors, including dose, route of exposure, kind of chemicals that are used, as well as age, gender, genetics and nutritional status of exposed individuals. Because of their high degree of toxicity, arsenic, cadmium, chromium, lead and mercury rank among the most metals that are having health significance. These metals that I've just named also cause significant organ failures and can result in general health damage also. Not only this, they also affect reproductive systems, which can lead to infertility. Heavy metal toxicity can adversely affect fertility in both men and women due to its potential disruption of various physiological processes essential for reproductive health in both men and women. Let's try to understand how they cause infertility in both men and women. Disruption of hormonal balance. Heavy metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium and arsenic can interfere with the body's endocrine system, disrupting hormonal balance. And we all know that hormones play a very important role in the proper functioning of reproductive system. In men, they lead to spermatogenesis, sperms are produced and released. In women, they are responsible for the growth of eggs and release, which is called as ovulation, and a number of other factors such as the growth of the endometrium, the support of the fetus in the uterus. All of this is controlled by hormones. So exposure to heavy metals can cause disruption in hormonal balance, which could lead to infertility. Heavy metals can accumulate in reproductive organs such as testes or ovaries, uterus, etc. Now, accumulation in these important organs can also lead to infertility. In men, this could lead to increase in oxidative stress, as in damage to the testicular area, whereby the spermatogenesis is affected. In women, it could lead to reduction in the quality and quantity of eggs in the ovaries, and also imbalance in the environment of the uterus, which could lead to infertility as well. The quality of eggs and sperms can also be affected, thereby reducing the chance of successful conception. Heavy metal toxicity or exposure can lead to miscarriages as well. This is because the quality of eggs and sperms are affected, therefore it could lead to miscarriage. Heavy metals generate reactive oxygen species and free radicals, leading to oxidative stress and cellular damage in reproductive tissues. Oxidative stress can cause DNA damage in sperm and eggs, increasing the risk of chromosomal abnormalities, genetic mutations and infertility. Elevated levels of heavy metals in the body can reduce oxidative defenses, leading to a state of chronic inflammation and oxidative damage that negatively impact infertility. Heavy metal toxicity can also cause miscarriage and implantation failure. Miscarriage is when the fetus is aborted from the uterus. Implantation failure is when an embryo does not implant into the surface of the uterus. So these are also caused due to heavy metal exposure. Heavy metals may disrupt the function of endometrium and impair embryo development, leading to the likelihood of unsuccessful pregnancy. Chronic exposure to heavy metals can have a systemic effect on overall health and well-being, including immune dysfunction, neurological disorders, cardiovascular diseases and metabolic disturbances. So poor overall health and chronic illnesses associated with heavy metal toxicity can increase fertility problems and complicate reproductive health outcomes. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.